0600 by Grounds, National Gallery Singapore last Saturday. A site-specific piece that examines the perspective surrounding the issue of capital punishment. This 45-minute production did well in examining death penalty cases, and showed not only the unflinching seriousness and consequences of breaking the law, but also the people affected by the issue, such as family members, prosecutors and lawyers. Its title, derived from 6 a.m., during which executions in Singapore are carried out, it is a fitting, though grimly ominous, reminder of what happens at that time. The performance took place at various parts of the National Gallery Singapore, including its Echo Y galleries in claustrophobia-inducing holding cells. These were great locations for delving into this subject matter. After all, the National Gallery is housed in the former City Hall and Supreme Court, where many of the country's most shocking criminal cases, some punishable by death, went on trial. During the mixed media presentation, which also included theater performances and an interactive tour, much attention was placed on finding out what happens to inmates on death row in their final days and moments. What the production lacked was a richer experience for the audience, owing to its short performance time. At the show I attended, I was able to catch only 4 out of the 11 monologues and would have been eager to see the other perspectives. It was also a little disappointing that the materials presented were not verified by official information sources, but were inspired by research on the topic. If the creators wish to encourage more serious discussion, using verified accounts would certainly help. Of the performances, that of actress Grace Calazevi stood out for its raw emotion and nuanced delivery. Her portrayal of a woman whose family member was hung for a crime was convincing and heartbreaking, expressing the character's inability to fathom, or refusal to accept, why her family member's life had to be taken. Another standout performance was that of theater practitioner Adi Kosnan, who was equally menacing and charismatic as a serial killer made famous by his criminal wrongdoings. With a conceited smirk, he spoke about the public's macabre fascination with dark, twisted characters and, as a journalist, I felt I had been called out for contributing to the infamy and legacy of such characters. For GROUNDZ0, founded by veteran theater practitioners Elda Tatiana Ng, 0600 is a good start. What is needed is more exploration and verification, so audiences can come to their own conclusions about capital punishment.